Lalachay! Come on, kids! Enjoy po tayo sa ating sports activity with our special guest. Okay, ano lang po tayo kay Lalachan? Gentle lang po tayo kay Lalachan and then follow lang po tayo habang nagpaparade siya. Okay? Kids at Marie Claire area and trampoline area, come on kids! Come on, join us! Hi, Ram! Say hi, everyone! Hello! Okay, follow lang po tayo kay Lalachan. Follow lang po tayo kay Lalachan. Ayan, si Lalachan is 5 years old. Green squirrel from Japan. Her favorite color is pink. Her favorite fruit is the strawberry. Okay, excuse me everyone. Dadaan po tayo at dadaan din syempre si Lalachan. And then follow lang po tayo kay Lalachan, please. And wait, please. Lalachan! Hi, Lala! Please, proceed na po tayo sa ating event area dahil pupunta na po daw si Lalachan doon sa ating carnival area. Okay, follow na po tayo kay Lalachan. Gentle na po tayo kay Lalachan. Wag po natin siyang sasaktan. Ayan. Excuse me po, excuse me. Ayan, dito tayo, kids. Dito po tayo. Punta tayo dito sa ating event area. Okay, gusto po ni Lalachan. Tatayo po tayo sa harapan ni Lalachan. Okay, listen tayo, kids. Ayan, doon po tayo. Mamaya may ano po tayo. May hug po tayo kay Lalachan later po. Ayan, doon po tayo. Kaya na. Okay, doon po tayo doon. Mommies and daddies, outside lang po tayo ng event area. Kids lang po ang nasa loob po. Okay, kids, backward. Ano po tayo doon? Backward po tayo, backward. Ayan, listen po tayo kay Lalachan. Ayan. Excited naman po talaga silang makita si Lalachan. Okay. Dito tayo kuya, dito tayo. Ayan, syempre yung mga small kids po, dito tayo sa harapan. Syempre yung matatangkad po sa likuran. Ano po tayo? Okay, hi kids! Hi! Nag-enjoy po ba kayo sa kids yun, ha? Opo. Okay, dahil dyan, mag-start na tayo ng ating event. Magpapakilala muna ang event team. Okay, reminders lang po, guardians po. Outside lang po tayo ng event area. Hindi po tayo mag-start ng ating event kapag meron pong guardian sa loob ng ating event area. Thank you very much po. Okay, kids, my name is Ate Iya. Ready na po? Okay, my name is Ate Iya. Siyempre ang aking partners na si Ate Chiki and Ate Faye. Siyempre ang special guest natin na si Lalachan. Welcome, Lalachan. Ayan. Gusto niyo po bang mag-dance? Gusto niyo pong mag-dance? At dahil dyan, tuturuan namin kayo ng dance tutorial ng ating warm-up dance. Siyempre, tuturuan tayo ni Lalachan. So, yung bata pa, excuse me po, sa guardian po ng bata. Okay, first step natin is mag-shake tayo ng ating head and shoulders. Okay? Gayahin po kami. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, kayo mga kids? Shake your head. Dalawang kamay po. Shake your head and shake your shoulders. Good job. Okay, second step po natin. Yung kamay po natin sa harapan ng ating tiyan. And then, isi-shake natin siya. And then, next step is, ang ating body. Isi-shake naman natin ang ating body. Okay? Gawin na po natin ang sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay. And then, syempre, ang next step naman natin is mag-wiggles tayo ng ating shoulders and syempre ng ating legs. Like this po, gagayahin na po tayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 2. Okay, last step po is mag-shake tayo ng ating hands sa taas and then sa baba. Okay, ready? Everybody? Izina. Shake your hands. Down, up, and down. Then march. Okay, from the top. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Shake your tummy, body, tummy, and body. Wiggle your arms and legs. Good job. Shake, shake. Then march. And then jump. Good job, kids. Stop, everybody. Ayan, sit down na po tayo. Sit down na tayo, kids. Okay, ang ating sports activity ngayon is tinatawag natin tug of war. So, explain po ni Ate Iya kung paano aglaruin ang ating sports activity. Nakikita niyo po ba ito sa Squid Game? Ang tug of war? Okay, dahil dyan yung iba po hindi po ito alam, syempre explain po ni Ate Iya. Okay, kids. Listen po tayo. Nakikita niyo po ba ang rope? Ate, ano po kulay ng hinahawakan ni Ate Iya? Ano po ito? Red. Red. Okay. And then meron tayong white marker. Ayan, excuse ito, nahulog. And syempre, meron tayong, ano tawag dito? Flag. Okay, dahil dyan, maghihilaan si Ate Chiki and Ate Faith. So kapag nahila ni Ate Chiki, and then nag-stay na 15 seconds, magkakount si Ate ng 15 seconds, kapag nag-stay kay Ate Chiki, syempre ang panalo is si Ate Chiki. And then kapag nabawi naman ni Ate Faith, kapag nag-stay siya within 15 seconds, ang nanalo naman po is si Ate Faith. Naintindihan po ba? Ayan, dahil naintindihan niyo po, syempre kailangan natin maging safety. Safety reminders, Lala Chan. No pushing, no running, hold down, roll firmly, and enjoy our game. Good job. So now, stand up na po tayo, sabi ni Lala Chan. Okay. Gusto daw po ni Lala Chan mag-Rubik's tayo. Okay, group yourselves into 15. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excuse me po kay Lala Chan. Okay, dahil nakapag-Rubik's na po tayo, arms forward po tayo, arms forward. Arms forward po. And then hands up na po tayo, hands up everybody. Hands up, hands down, up, down, then up, and down. Good job. Okay, dito tayo. Okay, hands up muna tayo, kids, hands up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Ayan, ibibigay po nila Ate Faith and Ate Chiki yung ating rope. Okay, itong side po na ito kay Ate Chiki is team A. Anong team kayo? A. Siyempre, ang team naman nila Ate Faith is ang team B. Hello, kids! Anong team kayo? B. Good job. Okay, dito tayo, ate. Okay, hawak po tayo sa ating rope. Wala muna po hihila. Okay, hands up po, hands up, hands up. Hands up, kids, hands up. Hands up po, hands up. Hands up po, hands up. Wala muna pong hihila. Ready na po ba? Okay, hawak na po tayo sa ating rope. Hawak na po. Okay, Team A and Team B, are you ready? Okay, tug of war begins in 3, 2, 1, go! Hila pa, hila. 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yay! Okay, hands up po tayo. Hands up. Hands up. Sa first round na nalo ang Team B! Yay! Okay, meron tayong second round, kids. So, ready po tayo. Team A, kailangan nating bumawi. Hawak po tayo sa ating rope. Hawak. Once again, reminders lang po. Hold the rope firmly. Ayan. Ready na, kids? Okay, Team A and Team B. Are you ready? Wait lang po, wait lang po, wait lang. Okay, round 2 begins in 3, 2, 1, go! Hila! 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Hila ka, hila ka, hila ka. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job! Okay, ready? Reminders lang po, Lord Lance. Outside na po tayo ng event area. Thank you very much po. Okay, kids, nakabawi ang Team A! Yay! Okay, this time po, my last round po tayo dito natin malalaman kung sino ang winning team. Ready? Safety reminders, hold the rope firmly. Okay, Team A, Team B, are you ready? Okay, hands up po na pa, hands up, hands up. Ipantay lang po natin para fair po yung laban. Hands up po, hands up, and shake your hands. Good job. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! 15, 14, 13, 12. Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! 15, 14. O, tupa, yung tupa. Ayaw talaga magpatalo. Go, 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 go! 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and drop. Ayan, meron na tayong winning team sa ating last round. Ating A! Good job! Okay, face to face na tayo, kids. Face to face. Good job, ang gagaling na mga kids. Leader na po tayo. Magkakailangan siya ng mag-appear po. Meron tayo time para dyan. Hello, TV. Kamusta? Okay lang po ba? Masakit ang kamay? Okay, taas nga natin ang ating kamay. Shake, shake, shake. Ayan, para mawala ang sakit. Okay, harap po tayo. Dahil nanalo ang Team A, bibigyan natin sila ng 5 claps. And we say very good. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo. And 3, 2, 1, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Good job. At dahil nag-effort naman ang ating kabilang team, bibigyan natin sila ng 3 claps and we say, good job. Okay, ready? Clap. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job. At dahil dyan, meron tayong last round bago ibigay ang ating giveaways. Okay, balik po tayo sa dating ating pwesto. Yung nag-warm up dance po tayo. Okay, find your height po yung mga kids po sa harapan. Small kids sa harapan, syempre yung mga matangkad sa likuran. Ready? Okay, nasan po si Lala Chan? Pakituro mga kids, hi! Nasan si Lala Chan? Ayan! Gusto ko po ba mag-final dance with Lala Chan? Okay, sit down muna po tayo. Gusto po ni Lala Chan, kapag nag-open lang ating surprise box, wala po tatayo. Okay, sit down muna po ato tayo. Gusto niyo po bang mag-open ang ating surprise box? At dahil dyan, kailangan nating mag-shout ng sabay-sabay na surprise! Ano po isi-shout natin? Kailangan marinig ng ating special guest na si Lala Chan, ha? Okay, ready? Then 3, 2, 1! Lala Chan, narinig niyo po ba? Hindi daw po, so kailangan natin mas malakas. And 3, 2, 1! So, okay, we have balloons! So, sit down muna tayo, kids. Yan. Dahil very good kayo, meron tayong balloons. Okay? Behave lang po tayo ng sit down lang po tayo kapag natanggap na ang ating balloons. Yan. Okay na po? Okay, this time, kids, itaas na po natin ang ating balloons. Kapag sinabi ni Ate Ian na kids na, ang isi-shout niyo po, hooray! Ano po isi-shout? Okay, mas malakas, mas masarap. Okay, let's practice. 10, 3, 2, 1, kids na! Ayan, mommies and daddies, get ready na po sa ating camera para makakuha ng magandang picture kasama ang kids and syempre ang ating special guest. Okay, kids, last one. 10, 3, 2, 1, kids na! Okay, smile tayo kala mommy. Thank you very much, mommies and daddies po. Okay, bahid na po tayo dyan, kids. Dahil may sasabihin si Lala Chan bago siya umuwi ng Japan. Ano po yun? Ayan, sabi po ni Lala Chan, thank you very much daw po, na nag-join kayo at nakipaglaro kayo kay Lala Chan. At thank you din daw po sa mga mommies and daddies na nag-enjoy din sa aming sports activity. Okay, sit down muna tayo, kids. Sit down muna tayo. May sasabihin pa si Lala Chan. Ano ba po yun? Ayan, sino ba po gusto mag-birthday dito sa Kidzena? Dahil nandiyan sa ating mga kids, mommies and daddies birthday package is always available. For more details, just ask our friend staff. Okay, kids, it's time to say goodbye na po kay Lala Chan. Bye, Lala Chan. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Ayan, mommies and daddies, get ready na po sa ating camera para sa ating picture taking with Lala Chan one by one. Thank you very much po. Dito po tayo sa ating designated